In the grim darkness of the far future, mankind stands alone. Against unimaginable odds. Attack is the strongest defense. Faith, the greatest weapon. Belief, the ultimate answer. For humanity! We fight!
We are the sword of the ecclesiarchy, the cleansing flame that will purge the galaxy of its corruption. We are the pure, the faithful, a light in the darkness. We are the sisters of battle. We fight with the holy trinity of Flamer, Boltgun, and Melta. We will defeat every traitor, heretic, alien, and demon who stands against us!
In the darkness between the stars, the weak and the faithless find no deliverance. We are raised to believe that the God Emperor watches over us all. And so we are charged to cleanse the mutant, the heretic, the alien. We must not falter. We are his sword. We are his wrath. Even in the face of death, we shall not submit. Suffering is our prayer. Faith is our armor. In battle, he offers us redemption. And for those who prove worthy, the Emperor sends forth his angels.
Our Imperium is besieged. Across 1,000 worlds, we fight for our survival. Those that would tear humanity down are legion. Our forces are few. Our enemies many. There is no respite. There is no mercy. And in our darkest hour, a spiteful universe awakens forgotten evils to break us. The galaxy burns, yet still we stand, the last bulwark against the terror. And while we draw breath, we will fight. For in this new dark age, there is only war.